So after you must have put every not necessary items, it will not become very very hot because now the oil now is in is at the peak right now. When I mean very very hot, so that's how to make hot oil. Okay, for those of you who want to know how to make hot oil, you can always shout me up on WhatsApp. All right, so to know how to make oil. And mind you, this oil you see now have the tendency to make uh, your lotions to work very effectively because um, there are some oils when you see them, they only just how will I put it? They only just work after some while. You understand? Like 2 months or thereabout. And that's why some people say, hey, the oil is not working. I did use it. It didn't work, But this one is not like that. All right? This is a very perfect oil, customized. Look at it. Customized hot oil. Are you getting customized hot oil? With this oil like this, if you use this oil to make a lotion, wow, trust me. Or use it to make a serum, wow, trust me. Within 2 3 weeks you see results. Within 2 3 weeks you see results. I'm telling you, within 2 3 weeks you see results. I don't need to tell you because of money to tell you lies. Oh, blah 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 blah. No, 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 no. You know, and this is not like the ones I do tell you, like Malawi or whatever. No, no. This one you can use this one for your body. You always follow the instruction I'm giving right now. You always miss it. You always miss it with your lotion. This one can't go for your body like that. You always mix it with your lotion. And this is about a combination of I think 6 different type of items that I used to make this. Alright? To make this thing hot like this. About just 6 items that really make this oil to hot like this. Are you getting it? And even from the distance, I can feel the temperature of, you know, I can feel the temperature of this oil. Alright? So if you want us to customize oil for you, you can always contact us via the number on your screen. Okay? If you want us to customize oil for you, and don't forget we ship everywhere. Like as I said, we ship everywhere. We sell all different types of organics. We sell all different type of organics. We sell different type of cosmetic. Just name it, the cosmetic you can see in the US, the cosmetic you can see in the UK, the cosmetic you can see in the Europe, the cosmetic you can see in the Asia country or Canada. Alright? Even the organics you can see in US, UK, Europe, Canada, Asia country, even other Africa country around us. Every kind of cosmetic that you can see, we have them all. All you just need to do, just put a call through. Right? Just put a call through. We'll ship them to you. We'll ship them to you. Yes. If you want us to use DHL, fine. If you want us to use any other company, fine. Only DHL is faster. Alright? So that is that. There are some oils you use that will cause irritation for your body. Some they will cause uh, I mean some what is it called? Heat rashes and white patches, and some will cause eczema, and it just because it's not because that they are not tubes, so it's not going to cause any damages to your body. Who told you that? You don't even know those things people use to make this oil. Are you getting it? But this oil, I'm telling you, not at all. It's not going to cost you any of those things. Rather, it will smooth your skin. Right? If you use it to make your lotions, that lotion is a bomb. Yes, that lotion is a bomb. See, it doesn't really like some people say their oil separate. This one doesn't separate. It doesn't separate. Are you getting it? So I sometimes I do oils that separate because of the way I customize them. Alright? Sometimes I do the oil that separate because the way I customize them. And how do you use them? Those ones that separate, how do you use them? You shake them together. If you use the concentrate only, is a bomb. If you use the oil only, is a bomb. Alright? So you can use whatever side you want to use. You can check it together. However, don't forget that we ship everywhere and our name is not known as Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria Limited. Alright, we're located everywhere. We have 3 shops. We have in Trade Fair, we have in Trade Fair, and we have in also Ojota and Akuwojo. So whichever one that is close to you, you can call at us. Patronize us, patronize us. That is that. Don't forget, I'm not just making advert in here. I'm telling you the real talk about all of how to make your skin better. Alright? So I say thank you.